Yo, what is up guys, Bruce Skateboarding. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how to fingerboard in the night silently like a true ninja. What you're gonna wanna do is get some journals, something soft that you can land on. I also found these things are like sound pads. You can also use these to do some tricks on them. Actually retains your pop. I'm gonna be using a journal. This is a method I did a lot in school because I would always be fingerboarding instead of doing my work, which is something I don't recommend, but if you guys are ever bored, and you don't want to make too much noise, this is the perfect method. Just go up. Look guys, it's 10:20 p.m. right now, so I have to be really quiet. Here I have a little gap set up using the pads. And so we're gonna be doing some tricks on this. I'm gonna go for a tray flip, maybe a triple tray flip. Alright guys, I'm done with that video. I might have woken up my downstairs neighbor with that last one. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please consider leaving a like and check out my channel if you like skateboarding content and fingerboarding content. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Peace.